took a little while. We were in the other end of doing something. So myself, I am Madhuri Sarda. I am a counseling psychologist by profession, and I am also a clinical hypnotherapist. So when I say clinical hypnotherapist, my forte is to retrain or reprogram the mind. So together, me and my co-founder, Ms. Vidhi Vanshal, she'll be talking to you all as well. So together, we run an organization called Ananta, Power of the Mind. So I am absolutely comfortable to talk in Hindi, English, Bangla, mixed languages, because I know some things can be said very well in Hindi and something can be said very well in English. And my Bangla is a little bulbul because I'm a non-Bengali person. But I can cater to Bangla as well. So today we are here to just talk about stress, and before that I would just like Vidhi to introduce herself to you all.
Hi, I'm Vidhi Bansal. I'm the co-founder of Ananta, and we are here today to help you out understand what the real life stress is, and also share some tricks and tips how you can deal with it when it actually arises. So she'll be doing the PPT today and giving you some tips, and at the end, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us. Or if you feel that it's a little invading here and you would like to talk in person, you have our numbers here on the standees, you can always get in touch.
So which language do you prefer? Is English, Hindi, which language? And be open. We are here just to help you understand life in a better way. Hindi, English both chalega, mila ke? Yeah, because my Bangla would come in a very that way. Okay. So the very title talks about the inner edge, that is Leadership and Mind Mastery Lab. So when I say Mind Mastery Lab, have you ever come across the word mind? Let's make it very interactive, because it is, I'm not dealing with, toddlers. So let's make it very interactive. Very soon you'll be out in the world, as leaders. So have you ever heard the word mind?
Yes.
Yeah? चलो ये तो ठीक है कि आपने mind word सुना है. But अगर आप इसके साथ अगर हम connect करें inner edge, means all of us have it, and how can we sharpen it so that you get best results in life? Okay, so that is the topic, and since it's a management college, so leadership word has to be there. So how leadership qualities can be improvised, made better by using your mind capacity. Okay, so my first question to all of you, do you really think that mind matters? I mean, having when you have heard the word mind, which I'll be introducing you a little later, तो आप लोगों को लगता है क्या कि mind mastery बहुत important है? या mind बोल के कुछ ऐसा है जिसको आपको master करना चाहिए? Do you think?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all one with me?
Yes.
So my next question is कि mind को master करने के लिए आपको क्या जरूरत होता है? What do you need?
No.
You need, is it skills?
Yes. Satisfaction.
Satisfaction? Knowledge, yeah. Please feel free to give me words, Hindi, English, Bangla, जिस language में बोल सकते हैं कि आपके हिसाब से अगर mind को master करना हो.
And peace also.
Peace is तो very important.
Meditation.
Very true.
Meditation.
Discipline is very important. Yes, somebody.
Meditation.
Meditation. So when you do meditate, actually, when you meditation, you said,
Yes,
right? So meditation is what in your language? Meditation can mean sitting in silence.
Yes.
Right? But for me, just sitting 5 minutes with your eyes closed and just taking a pause when I'm feeling overwhelmed
That
is a
is also
meditation for me. Because what happens, as you rightly pointed, meditation, जब भी हम अगर 5 मिनट आँख बंद कर ले, तो हमारा जो conscious mind है, coming up to the points, mind का एक भाग होता है conscious mind, जो continuously chatter करता है, and it just bogs us down. It makes us feel so overwhelmed. So the moment you just close your eyes, it is like, I'm shutting down the windows, the extra files that is opened here, as if I'm closing them. So that is why meditation is really, really important. But I'm not asking for hours of meditation, just 5 minutes sitting with yourself, watching your breath will also cool you down, calm you down, right? So many people think कि खाली success पाने के लिए skills होना बहुत, बस skills होने से हो जाता है. When I talk about skills, what people think, this is based on the various workshops that we have conducted at various colleges. Based on that, I'm coming up. People have told us that skills means knowledge, intelligence, training. In my understanding, these are not enough. What do you think? कि ये skills आपको अगर हो, knowledge हो, तो क्या आपको लगता है will you get success? Is success equal to skills? When you're saying no, that there must be something that is making you say no. Tell me what is it? And there is no right or wrong answer. We are here to understand life.
And there should be some intrinsic value, means inside what we have. We don't need to learn that thing. That we possess from inside.
Right.
Means that we apply. What we feel right. He might think that is wrong. So what is right for me, and if I can do it, or if I can communicate that thing
Right.
to the other person, so that is also inculcated in these skills.
Yeah. So इसका मतलब ये हो गया, first you have to understand yourself. What are you thinking? What are your values? And then you have to communicate it effectively. Because you know when we can't communicate effectively, तो हम जो भी feel करते हैं, जो भी हमारी value system है, वो null and void हो जाएगी. For any information to be transferred, I have to learn the art of communicating well. नहीं तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we are just going around the bush and we are not able to tell exactly what I am saying. हमें एक ना बोलने में भी कितना समय लग जाता है. We find it because हमारी संस्कृति, हमारी conditioning is somehow we have been born and brought up in Indian families where it is very difficult and nobody has taught us that when you don't feel it right, you have the you have the permission to say a no. हमें क्या बोलता है, कैसे ना बोल सकते हो, करना तो होगा. तुम अपने आप को क्या समझते हो? We have been, all of us, I am also part of this society, right? So we have understood that until unless it matches my value, my opinion, it is very difficult to do it. And to make the other person understand my opinion, I need to know how to communicate well. So yes, communication is also very, very important part. Apart from that, do you think anything else is needed?
Conscious choice of lives.
Absolutely. तो conscious choice of life के लिए भी
Like, I'll
पहले.
give an example.
Yeah.
Like, Vinod Kamble was a very good cricketer, was a very good batsman.
Yes.
He had everything to be successful, but he didn't.
Mhm.
उसके against में Sachin Tendulkar grew and became what he is today.
Mhm.
So it was because of the conscious choice of life that he made throughout his life. So he controlled अपने ऊपर पाना and clarity of like, thoughts and
Absolutely. So you should have your vision very clear कि मुझे क्या करना है, क्योंकि आपके पास हालात आएंगे which will help keep you deviating from there. कोई बोलेगा नहीं ये correct नहीं, ऐसा करना चाहिए. You mad? See, look at your friends, they are doing this. Somebody will say, see, he has started his own venture. He is a businessman. तुम्हारे साथ ही पढ़ा था. But if you know what you want to do, you can really do well in life. So rightly pointed, Sachin Tendulkar is Sachin Tendulkar because he had very clear vision what he want to do. And just to tell you, this is a very secret thing. We Tendulkar is also the one who has made his mind very sharp by using certain techniques which I'll also teach you today. So and I can tell you, if we cooperate with each other, this tool will be used for the rest of your life. Okay. So according to me, enough of success. If you want to be successful, only having knowledge and skills will not help. You have to have a mindset. The psychology, the psyche, the power. You have to have a good frame of mind. Now to have a good frame of mind, what all we do? We need to have an abundance mindset. But we generally have a mindset which comes from a lot of lack. क्योंकि हम बचपन से सुन के आते हैं कि पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते हैं. You don't spend this much. Do you think are you capable enough to earn this kind of package? वो कंपनी तुमको क्यों हायर करेगी? तुम्हारे चेहरे पे लिखा है क्या कंपनी हायर करेगी? So much of all these talks we have heard, isn't it? So when you hear and as it is you are into that stress period कि मेरे को company placements and campus interviews, all of this I have to crack. But at the back of your mind, what is going on? The chatter that we have grown up with, right? कि मैं इतना capable हूँ क्या? Do I deserve it? मेरे friends ज़्यादा capable है. And all of this inner chatter happens, right? So first and foremost, when I say abundance mindset, I don't mean just in terms of monetary, because the word abundance के साथ तुरंत लोग क्या connect करते हैं कि हम abundance मतलब पैसे की बात कर रहे हैं. Abundance means you have to excel in each and every area of a life by believing in your own self that I can do it, I deserve it. Whatever I am capable, I can just put it right in the correct format. Okay, so I'll not go beating around the bush. I'll be very clear in what I want to say. तो साइकोलॉजी में हम मानते हैं कि आपकी लाइफ, आपके चॉइसेस बहुत डिटरमाइंड होते हैं बाय योर बिलीव्स. एंड आपको पता है बिलीव्स क्या होते हैं? व्हाट आर बिलीव्स?
The fundamentals that we have been taught in our like.
Absolutely correct part of it. Yes.
What we think, means our thoughts.
Yes. Yeah. Thoughts get created. Yes, and they are interchangeably used very often. क्या लगता है आप लोगों को सब पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं?
Ma'am, it's kind of perception.
Yes, of course it is. It is a perception. Yeah. And do you know what perception actually means?
It is a combination of geography, culture, family, background.
Absolutely, bang on. So our beliefs are based on 4 pillars. Actually, there are 4 pillars which shape us as we are today. First is the society, second one is our education system, third one is our economic standards, the family, the background that we come from, and the fourth one, which also plays a very secret role in our life, is the religion. So these four pillars of life, जैसे चार खंबे, स्तंभ, pillars, okay, they shape how we are and they influence our life till the grave unless we work on it. So just like the concept or infuse in us the the mental concepts or how I look at life, how I look at myself, the do's and the don'ts, the moral and the ethical list, जो भी हमने सीखा है स्कूल में, जो moral science ही पढ़ा है basically. So ऐसा करना चाहिए, खराब है वैसा नहीं करना चाहिए. If you do this, you will be judged. You will not be a good man. You will not be a good girl, good boy, good gentleman, etc., etc. So there is so much that is day in and day out bombarded since the time we are born, right? Every next door neighbor is a better child compared to me. ও কত ভালো, she's so good, he's so smart, তুই কিছু করতে পারিস না. We have spent our entire life to raise you, but you are just pagla, gadha, dog, idiot, and so much loser. তোর থেকে কিছু হবে না. So much we have heard, right? Say, I'm not blaming our parents or society, but they will keep saying because this is something which they know. This is something which they have also grown up. But now we are into a generation in this generation we can help ourselves by overcoming these barriers that got created into us when we were toddlers, when we were children. So we will be learning how to overcome this mental chatter or this mental barriers or these beliefs that I am a loser, I can't do, I am not sufficient, I am not enough, all of that. Am I speaking something which is very common to you all?
Yes,
or is it something
Yes, ma'am.
हम सभी इसमें से गुजरे हैं, है
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
जब हम छोटे होते हैं, हर बगल वाला बच्चा बहुत अच्छा होता है, but हम ही सबसे बदमाश या कमजोर होते हैं, right? So beliefs are actually the thinking patterns, and thinking patterns get developed because of these four pillars which shapes our life. And to your surprise, all these beliefs gets formed before the age of 8 years. That is why the initial foundation years are very, very important. So think of a child who has made mistakes, but his parents or the school or the situations around told them it's okay. Versus a child who was bashed for doing a mistake. Do you think the first case or the second case will differ or they will be same?
Different, ma'am, a lot.
What will be the difference?
And one will be growing very much satisfactory and he has a voluntary choice to do anything, and the other one will always need a validation, or they will be living in the fear of the world.
Absolutely, very well said. So both the children when they grow up into adults, one will always look for a validation and there'll always be self-doubt. Am I doing this mistake? There is a property called industrious property of us. There is a trait. This second character will never become industrious. What he will become, he'll end up becoming having an inferiority complex. Because deep down in my head, no matter I have grown up, my age has grown up, but that slap or that talk is ringing in my head and it has become my own inner critic. Okay? So I will always look for validations, and no matter if I excel in life, there will be a thought that will tell me, by luck हो गया होगा, मैं तो इतना deserving हूँ नहीं, by chance हो गया होगा. No matter I am very intelligent, no matter I am very hardworking, तो এটা just হয়ে গেল, এটা তুক্কাতে হয়ে গেল. We have heard all of this, right? But that's not the truth, isn't it? So compared to this person, the case A will be a very, very industrious person. When I say industrious person means they will never hesitate to take chance. As you said, they will make choice, they will make choose. They might fail, but in their head they know it's okay to make mistakes. There's always, every mistake is like a feed forward. আমি next project এই কাজটা এরকম করবো না, এইভাবে করে দেখবো. So that is how it is very important that even if you fail, leave those chatters behind and say it's okay, it's another way to learn. That next time not this way, I'll try this way. ठीक है? So beliefs are very, very important. It shapes us completely. Oh, I'm so sorry. These PPTs are prepared for you guys only. Yes, so beliefs are thinking patterns. Do I sit here? Is that okay?
Yes.
So I think, can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ठीक है ना? So ये भी मेरे को दिखेगा. So basically, every thought that we think is completely influenced by the beliefs that we carry about ourselves. And based on the thoughts, you will take actions. Actions means কিছু কাজ করা. একটা জিনিস ভাবার পর you have to take actions, right? and then based on your actions there will always be a result, and result will again reinforce the same behavior. Why? Because the very intent with which you started, that I am not capable, I am chesta kore dekhchi, I am trying, but in my head I know I will not get it. My friend will get a 2 lakhs per month ka salary wala job, আমার থেকে তো হবে না, and then with that half hearted हम डर के साथ interview देते, there is a high possibility my friend really cracks that interview and get a good placement and I don't get it, and then I'll say আমি তো জানতাম, I knew. So who's talking all of this? Your inner chatter, the inner critic who firmly believes that I am not good enough, but I am not capable, my colleagues and my friends are more capable. We have to address these inner chatters and tell them whatever I am doing, that's the best. I can always learn and become a better person. But rather हम क्या करते हैं, हम उन thoughts को सकम कर जाते हैं, हम उन्हीं thoughts के तले दब जाते हैं और सोचते हैं मुझे तो पता ही ऐसा ही होगा. Am I talking sense to you guys?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So we all have to understand that एक जो आपको interview या एक placement मिलता है, that is not the end of the life. From that placement you will learn something, and next time when you make choice you will know whether this kind of work suits me or I need a different role in my work profile, right? So then finally that day will not be far off when you will understand which work profile suits your traits and you will land there. But अगर पहले में अगर आप हिम्मत हार दोगे तो आपको क्या लगेगा, as if the world has collapsed. But that's not how it is. Okay? So now do you understand how your thoughts get in? Where am I lost? I am attending class but something else is going in my head which I am not even aware. Okay? So even the talented people, the right example which you said, talented people will fail if their psychology limits them. My knowing about me, my belief about me, my understanding of my don'ts and likes and dislikes doesn't align, I cannot be successful. So success does not mean just having skill. Success means skill plus knowing your own choices. Success plus psychology together, skills plus psychology together makes you a successful person. अच्छा, success की भी definition ये नहीं है कि आप कितने लाख रुपए महीने कमा रहे हो. Success की definition how peaceful you are, how happy you are even if you earn a 10,000 rupee month or you earn a 50,000 rupee month. How are you utilizing your resources so that you are enjoying life and you have people to talk to, you have family to celebrate, you have colleagues to work with, and you have your own ways of making rejoices in life along with the work that you have to do. Is it correct? We all need a balanced life, right?
Yes,
खाली काम करोगे तो भी बीमार हो जाओगे, नहीं काम करोगे तो भी 100% और बीमार हो जाओगे, क्योंकि आपका वो अंदर से something will eat you completely. And what is that under से? That belief about you. You don't deserve anything. It's better you end your life here only, and that is why you all know how much of this self-harm tendencies have increased in today's world. People have really become sensitive, right? So now my question to you is, tell me, what do you think, what are the two broad category of barriers? These are very hidden. What are those barriers? आपके हिसाब से क्या होगा जो आपके potentials को रोक के रखता है? What are those barriers according to you? Anybody can say. Very true.
Self doubt.
अरे lovely, ऐसा लगता है पढ़ के आए हो क्या?
Ma'am,
Very
also the
good.
procrastination thing.
I think you're finding it difficult. You can come a little this side. Yeah. Yes, procrastination is also a byproduct of overthinking. We always overthink, कल करेंगे. So सबसे बड़ा barrier है, as rightly pointed by him, overthinking. हम overthink कर करके उस spiral में चले जाते हैं, जो spiral से हम कभी ऊपर नहीं आ पाएंगे. Yeah. So overthinking leads us into a negative spiral. Why I'm saying negative spiral? क्योंकि हम overthink करते हैं इसलिए हम कोई decision नहीं ले पाते. So क्या होता है, हम constantly analyze करते रहते हैं. And constant analysis is nothing more than a decision paralysis. It will paralyze the decision. You will not be able to reach the decision जो आप लेना चाहते हो. Because आपकी habit क्या होगी, नहीं शायद ये ठीक नहीं है, शायद एक और ट्राई करके देखते हैं, शायद एक और, बट वो एक और कभी नहीं आता. रादर हमको एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा, right? So focus, we have to, our focus, our shift, our focus is always on what if I fail. हम किस को जवाब देंगे? I have to answer my parents, I have to answer my teachers, I have to answer my colleagues, and when tomorrow you get settled, then definitely your spouses, and then maybe your children, right? So there is so much fear, what if I fail, right? So when the intent or the idea or the belief is I will fail, for sure you will fail. I'll say why and how can you overcome from today onwards to stop thinking and just changing your focus from just thinking what if I fail to let me take a chance, let me take an action. करके देखते हैं ना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, right? So when we operate from that, failure will lose its power or grip from you. Okay? So when we are into this thought, क्या होता है हमारे हाथ से opportunities चली जाती है. हम कल करेंगे जब तक आता पता चलता है deadlines finish और यह इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई कि we are overwhelmed with the work that we have to do. Interviews के लिए आपको mock interview sessions etc. So much is available. So much of resources available, literature is available even on internet. But कल देखते हैं, कल सीखेंगे, आज तो मजा कर लेते हैं, and then वो कल कब आ जाता है पता नहीं चलता. But you are not prepared, this is for sure. And then you tremble with fear, oh my God, if they ask me this, I don't know, right? So instead of getting into the loop of overthinking, we have to make this choice of breaking the loop by taking action, okay? And the second most important hidden barrier is the self-doubt. We are the biggest critic of our own self. And all these critical ideas about us got formed in the nascent years of our life. That 0 to 8 years, foundational years of life is very, very important, right? So it is deeply rooted in the subconscious mind. Slowly I'm coming, I mentioned about the conscious mind which keeps chattering, right? And then there is another part called the subconscious mind. I'll be decoding in a little more depth about these two parts of us. तो उसमें हमारे पास क्या क्या beliefs है? I have to be perfectionist because I make mistakes, right? I have to learn to be efficient. I am always rejected. Is there anything called always?
No.
But हम जब अपने आप को label करते हैं, we always tend to say that I am always rejected. No relation stays with me. ठीक है? We all go through this, whether you realize it or not, but it happens. The day you start realizing, you will be able to take actions and stop that from taking a toll on your life and your mental wellness. Then we have to, make individuals question their ability despite competence. That means, just imagine, can you do it? If you say yes, no matter how competent or incompetent you are, you will be doing it. But then, आपकी competency क्यों develop नहीं होगी? क्योंकि आप अपने competency को, अपनी ability को question करते रहते हो कि I can't, I won't, I don't deserve it, all of that. Okay? And finally, when we self-doubt ourselves, when we are in the loop of overthinking, then what happens? There is lot of confidence lacking. You lack your confidence completely. Do you trust? Do you agree with this statement that yes, we lack our?
Yes.
It is not that we are born foolish. We are born smart, right? You see, today's children or your generation, you are so smart in technology, in handling situations, in handling. Compared to your parents, you are much smarter. You are much aware. But just because you have never been told this way, you think that maybe you are not sufficient to handle your life. But I can tell you, you are much better compared to the elder generations. They just succumb to life. And बहुत ही early age में you will see these people lose hope from life, right? ठीक है? So हमको अगर leadership वगैरह किसी भी चीज़ में करना होता है तो since you are into a business school, that is why I'm more focusing on the word leadership. To become leaders, you need to stop doubting yourself and you need to break the barrier of overthinking, getting into that loop of overthinking. Because आप कुछ भी decision ले लीजिए, you will not be able to please everybody. Okay, it is very difficult to please everybody. अगर आप सोचते हैं कि with my decisions, if I take this way or that way, it will please everyone, that's the biggest mistake. So do what is right, but the intent should be correct. That you're not intending to harm or hurt anybody. In your knowledge, this is the best. I'm liking to try it, so let me give a try. Right? So you have to break these barriers. So the biggest limitation in our life is nothing external. It is always the belief, and it is very, very internal. So, do you think it's an internal belief that stops you or the external barriers?
Internal belief.
Because of the internal beliefs, आप सोचोगे मैं कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ, तो आप वैसे सिचुएशन में जाओगे जहाँ आपको प्रूफ कर दिया जाएगा कि तुम कर ही नहीं सकते हो, right? There's a saying that the intent with which we start is the end product that you get. So if my intent is I am incapable, surely I'll get into a job which will prove me that I am the biggest dope on this earth. This role is not fit for me. So I have to change my intent. When I'm facing an interview, when I'm sitting for a job, it's okay to learn. There is no age restriction. We can learn different work at different age duration, at the different age brackets. Isn't it? Learning की कोई एज नहीं होती है, तो आप किसी भी नए रोल में जाओगे, नई प्रोफाइल में जाओगे, वहाँ पे सीखना पड़ेगा. So you have to be open to learn, open to receive feedback. How will it benefit? I am coming to that. So I just spoke and I said, master your mind or reprogram your mind. So this diagram, have you ever come across this diagram?
Yes.
This is an iceberg. It's a metaphor. It is used to tell you that there is something like this is also with us. A part of it which is visible. पानी के नीचे कितना बड़ा आइसबर्ग है हमें पता नहीं होता, right? Similarly, हमारे अंदर में भी the part of the mind of the brain that we are using is just 10%, and 90% has become obsolete. Why? Because we have shut it down in the initial years of life. So अभी हम जितना भी life lead कर रहे हैं, whatever I am just using 10% of my capacity. Have you ever heard about this? You are just using your conscious mind, and this ratio is a hypothesized, tested, tried ratio. It is not, it is science backed. कि हमारा कॉन्शियस माइंड केवल और केवल 10 से 12% होता है और हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड 88 से 90% होता है. सबकॉन्शियस वी आर नॉट अवेयर. वी हैव heard चेतन, अवचेतन, कॉन्शियस, सबकॉन्शियस, राइट? So 10% of the mind we are using to navigate life. How beautiful it would be when you are able to use 10 plus 90, that's the 100% capacity of it. We all have the access, but we have forgotten how to use it. And why have we forgotten? Because our own belief system has come as a blockage between the conscious and the subconscious. एक दीवार की जैसे बन गई है कि बस इतने से ही काम चल जाएगा, उसके अलावा जो है हम उसे डील करना, समझना भूल जाते हैं. And every day जो हम 24/7, 365 throughout the year, whatever we are seeing, sensing, hearing, everything is getting absorbed by this 90%. So that is why मिस्टेक आपने 2 साल या 6 साल की एज में की थी, बट आज भी वैसा देखने से आप डर जाते हैं. तो कहाँ से वो इन्फॉर्मेशन आती है? आज तो कुछ मिस्टेक नहीं हुई है. You just witnessed it because your body is holding on to it. That is the subconscious mind of you, which holds every emotions. Events चले जाते हैं. We grow up in life. ठीक है? We were at 5-year-old, we become 15-year-old, and we become 50-year-old also, right? But those moments stays with us. Those emotions stays with us. And what is the storehouse of emotion? It is the subconscious mind, which is 90% storage capacity, bigger part of the life. So now if you understand the structure of the mind a little, say I'll not go into a lot of nitty-gritty because I want to teach you something. We are already running sort of time compared to what we were told. So I'll quickly go through. So now you understand that there is something called mind, and each one of us has it. We are all born with it, and the mind has 2 parts. One is the conscious mind, one is the subconscious mind. So from my narratives which I gave you, the conscious mind is equal to the brain part of it, the functioning, the decision-making part of us, and the feeling part of us, which we are not aware why I feel so bad, where that feeling gets stored, and it comes a time and again. It is stored in the subconscious. रह के वो उठ के आता है, ठीक है? और पुरानी बातें हमें याद आती है. तो सबकॉन्शियस में आपके बिलीव्स, आपके वैल्यूज, आपके हैबिट्स, एवरीथिंग इज स्टोर्ड, ओके? एंड कॉन्शियस में आपका विल पावर होता है. तो आप लाइफ में जो भी कर पाते हो, लेकिन 10% यूज कर पा रहे हो. इमेजिन इफ यू विल बी एबल टू यूज द बिगर पार्ट ऑफ इट, ओके? So even in your work profile, you will be needing, if you want to master something, first master your subconscious. Train it by sitting with yourself, understanding your values. Change those values and beliefs which is no more working with you. कि तुम 10 भी पास कर लोगी तो मुझसे बात करना. तो बोल अब अपने आप को उसको बोला मैं 10 क्या, मैं तो ग्रेजुएशन और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में आ गई ना. हैव यू एनीवन ऑफ यू हर्ड दिस कि जब 10 पास करोगी तब बात करना, जब 12 पास करोगी तब बात करना? वी हैव हर्ड, है ना? तब समझ में आएगा आटा दाल चावल का भाव, तब पता चलेगा द डे व्हेन यू अर्न, राइट? नाउ यू कैन चेंज दोस चैप्टर्स की सब भाव पता चल जाएगा. एंड आई एम केपेबल इनफ एंड आई एम वर्किंग टू मेक माय कॉम्पिटेंसीज बेटर, टू मेक माय सेल्फ बेटर. या so basically beliefs are what? By now what can I conclude? What can you tell me? What are my beliefs? What is a belief basically? What we think, how we feel, how we were told, and then finally I started believing that this is me. If I have grown with the belief that I am not good enough, then I believe this is my belief. And then every area of my life, even if I meet success, what will my inner critic talk to me? It is by chance. तुम्हारा जाके आईने में चेहरे देख के आओ, फिर पता चलेगा. You know, all of that. how mean, but this is the truth, right? So now beliefs can be limiting as well as empowering. Limiting कब होगा जब हम खुद के बारे में वो inner critics को भरोसा देते हैं कि हाँ हाँ तुम जो बोल रहे हो ठीक ही बोल रहे हो. And empowering कब होगी when I challenge my own belief and I say no, let me look the world with a different perception altogether. I need to change my perception. We can change our perception the day we decide to do it. जिस दिन हम अपनी incapability से aware हो जाते हैं, हम अपनी weaknesses से अवेयर हो जाते हैं, हम अपनी वीकनेस पे काम करके हम उसको स्ट्रेंथ में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो इट इज ऑलवेज इट इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर योर वीकनेस एरिया. मैं क्या कम्युनिकेशन में फंबल करती हूँ, या मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग वीक है, या मुझे पढ़ के समझ आता है जस्ट सी से समझ नहीं आता है. वॉट एवर इज योर वीकनेस, यू नीड टू फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई. व्हेन यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई, you can work on that, and when you can work on that, you can always have a clarity in terms of choices and the decisions that you will make. Yeah, is it a very boring lecture?
No.
Is it crux of life?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे लग रहा है आधा क्लास के लिए it is crux of life, आधा क्लास के लिए boring lecture है. But I can promise you, boring lecture होते हुए it can shape your life completely differently. Okay, so start working अगर थोड़ा भी अपने उन beliefs पे, whatever inner, you don't have to disclose it to anybody, but be very honest to yourself and learn techniques to mastery your strength. And then work on the weakness to convert them into strength, or accept it. Okay, this is my weak area. It's fine. I don't need to be perfect in everything of life. Okay, it is not possible for everyone to be perfect in everything in life. Okay, so our beliefs will shape our reality. Now there's a very very important concept which each one of us should know. And when I use the word should, it is that very important. Now there is a real self and there is an ideal self. So guys, what is a real self? Any idea? कुछ भी आप लोग जो भी बताओ. What is a real self?
Ma'am, what we are actually. Yes.
And what is an ideal self?
Ma'am, what we can be, should be, or we want to achieve.
Yeah. So बस we word हटा के what others want us to be, what others think we can be. ठीक है? Because मेरी reality है, because suppose if I am this and my society, my family thinks I am this. So no matter how hard I try to make up their expectation, to meet their expectation, out of 10 I will be able to meet 2 only. Or maybe if I meet 8 only, 2 if I don't meet, I'll think I am not good. Because I start seeing myself from what others want me to be. But how can I be what others want? I can just be what I am. मतलब मैं जो हूँ, अगर मैं ये हूँ तो मैं यही हूँ, मेरी इतनी strength नहीं है. I can learn something, I can grow, but I can't be the picture perfect idea which others have. So this should is very very burdensome. It puts so much of burden and we end up feeling so overwhelmed. क्योंकि 10 में से अगर आपने 8 चीज कर ली है तो आप अपने आप को शाबाशी नहीं दे पाओगे, क्योंकि वो जो 2 चीज नहीं की है ना, योर माइंड विल से व्हाट हैपेंड. 10 तो ऐसे कोई 10 में से 8 तो कोई भी कर लेता है, ये 2 ही जो तुमने नहीं किया वही तो रियल चीज थी. एंड देन वी विल फील सो मच गिल्टी. And there will be a guilt trap basically कि oh really I think आप ठीक ही बोल रहे हो कि जो 2 most difficult था शायद मैंने वही छोड़ दिया. But that's not the truth. You did whatever was possible. No matter how hard you try, you cannot meet the real self, cannot become the ideal self, because ideal self is not you. Ideal self is what the society is expecting you to be. There is so much of expectation which is put on you by the society. When I say society, it means all human being around. ठीक है? So the real self is actually who you are, and the ideal self is who others think or you. And then you start thinking, oh शायद मैं ये हूँ, मैं अपना full potential नहीं दे रही हूँ. And then you try doing overtime. And when you do overtime, of course you will never reach here. तो क्या होगा? You will feel stressed, you will feel lonely, you will feel I'm good for nothing, and there will be so much of inner comparisons with everybody, and there will be a lot of jealousy. And this jealousy will not burn or kill anybody else, but it will kill you someday. In the sense, kill मतलब आपकी performance dip हो जाएगी, because you are trying to match somebody else, but you and somebody else cannot be same. So first and foremost, we have to stop comparing ourselves with what the society wants me to be. ठीक है? उसमें से मैं कोशिश करूँगी, but that doesn't mean I have to completely be the ideal self. Which why I shouldn't be ideal self? What do you understand? Why I cannot be and I shouldn't be ideal self?
Because it might be possible that it will not satisfy me completely.
Yeah, and there are many things which is not yours, which you don't want, that does not match with your moral and ethical values. It is imposed, considered, and should be. And anything should be is too tiring, because that is not what gels with me. This is not me. Okay? So this is very, yeah?
Accepting yourself.
Yes, the beauty of things is that I will try and I'll be happy with whatever I'm trying. But I'm not saying stop trying. Trying can only let you know can you imbibe these new things also. But every moment keep accepting yourself and start making these small steps, because every step counts. Try करने के लिए कोई बुराई नहीं है. So there is a lot of gap between, and this gap, what they want me to be and what I am, will only and only create dissatisfaction, create stress, and the world appears to be the most gloomiest place. लगेगा जीने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. As if मैंने कितना ना कितना बड़ा पाप कर दिया, and as if this world is crumbling down and it's all my fault. No, it's never your fault. It's your fault the day when you think I can't do it. Always try and do it. You will be able to overcome your stress. Okay? So this gap reduction is very very important. तो इसका उपाय क्या है? थोड़ा आप ट्राई कीजिए, थोड़ी लोगों की expectations को fail होने दीजिए. It's fine. तभी वो थोड़ी सी gap balance. मैं आप लोगों को उल्टा ज्ञान तो नहीं पढ़ा रही हूँ, आपकी moral science को change नहीं कर रही हूँ. So this moral science लेके ठीक है, be morally present but be empathetic to yourself also. हम अपने आप पर तो empathy दिखाना भूल जाते हैं, rather अनजाने में हम बहुत sympathetic बन जाते हैं. What is the difference between empathy and sympathy, guys?
Sympathy, we generally feel sorry for the others, and empathy is something we feel other feelings by putting ourselves in their shoes.
Lovely. तो डिक्शनरी की लैंग्वेज बहुत अच्छी है, बट रियल लाइफ में कैसे अपने आप को एम्पैथेटिक बनाओगी? Very well said. But how will you apply it in your life?
Exactly, knowing what you are feeling, by being with you, and just whatever sorrow or pain you are having, I can also, if I can share that thing, or if I can imbibe that thing in my life.
Okay, that's really challenging. Why? I'll tell you. Ki it is very difficult. You can just hold that space. You can't imbibe things. You can just hold that space that I am there. I understand this is a situation. I am there. बस उतना बोल सकते हैं, and give that space, because people just need somebody to hear them. People just need to know कि अच्छा कुछ होने से I can always be backed by or can be supported by. एंड सिंपैथी क्या हो जाता है, हम बोलते हो बेचारा, सच्ची बहुत बुरा हुआ ना तुम्हारे साथ, ऐसा किसी के साथ, तो वो बेचारा ऑलरेडी बेचारा फील करता, हम लोग उसको गड्ढे के अंदर डलवाने में कुछ कमी नहीं छोड़ते. राइट? सो गाइस, लर्न दिस दैट यू कैन बी एम्पैथेटिक, but if you are sympathetic, stop being sympathetic. Sympathetic is putting the other person into the down the pit, actually into the pit of their life. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, वो बेचारे को और बेचारा नहीं बनाओ, और बोलो कि ठीक है, I am there, it's okay, that is life. कभी कभी वो आपको बोलेंगे जब खुद पर बीतेगा तो पता चलेगा, तो उस समय यही बोलिए, I completely understand what you say, but still I am there with you. उतना ही बोलना इनफ होता है. गिव देम दैट स्पेस. उनको और बेचारा मत बनाइए, ना खुद को बेचारा बनने दीजिए. कोई अगर आपके साथ भी बोला तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा हो गया है, यू सेड इट्स ओके, इट इज लाइफ, आई विल हैंडल इट, कम ऑन यार, कोई बात नहीं. सो यू हैव दैट स्पिरिट. नोबडी कैन मेक यू अ बेचारा और अ बेचारी. अदरवाइज सबसे पहले हम खुद बनते हैं, और फिर जब दुनिया बोलती है दैट नीड फॉर अटेंशन, ओ नाउ दे विल पे अटेंशन कि आई एम सो सैड, बट दैट काइंड ऑफ नेगेटिव अटेंशन विल नॉट हेल्प यू. इट विल कंप्लीटली डिमोरलाइज यू एंड लाइफ फील्स सो डिफिकल्ट. किसी ने ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस किया है क्या? नहीं, इट्स ओके, देयर इज नथिंग टू फील सैड और वरीड, और कोई ने नाम ले दिया तो आप अगर सपोज आपके कोलीग्स अगर बोलते हैं मुकेश, दिस इज द डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, मुकेश एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा. अगर अब ये लोग आपको सपोज बोले कि ये बेचारा, सपोज आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अभी नेक्स्ट आपका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए?
कुछ भी नहीं,
कुछ भी नहीं. मैं
रूम से बाहर कर दूंगा जो मुझे
बोलो, अगर तुमको इतना बेचारा बंदी लगता है तो चलो हेल्प मी डू समथिंग, ओवरकम इट, बट आई नो आई एम नॉट बेचारा. इट इज जस्ट अ सिचुएशन और इट इज जस्ट अ फेज. अरे लाइफ में आएंगे, कभी गर्लफ्रेंड का फेज आएगा, कभी जॉब का फेज आएगा, जॉब फेज आएगा. दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ नहीं निकालेगा, बट उसके पहले उसने रियलाइज नहीं किया कि अगर अगर तुम उसको बेचारा बोलोगे he has an option to ask you रास्ता खुला है प्लीज रास्ता मापो.
वो पीछे से भाग गया था हम लोग सामने.
Again this is a smart choice कि इनको बदल के कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. रादर मैं अपना रास्ता बदल दूं. I am not here to train you. I am not here to prove you. I know what I am and I can take. It's okay to deviate my path. Then hitting your head against those rocks. ठीक है? So no, I am not pointing as if anybody is a rock, but it is good that when you find it's difficult because you cannot change anybody else, you cannot change your situations, you can only and only change your response. And your response is, this is not working with me, I'll deviate and I'll take a new way. That's it. ठीक है? शर्म मत करो, I don't judge. It is a very space, ऐसी space पे है जहाँ हम judgment नहीं कर सकते. Life है, everything is possible. लग रहा है जो दोस्त देख रहे हैं वो भी उसी कतार में है. They are also looking for girlfriends. Okay, now let me introduce you to a very important term. This is called an imposter syndrome. Now what is this imposter syndrome? Any idea? ये हम सब करते आए अपने साथ. Just now we discussed about lack, not my own creativity. So everybody, whenever you excel in life, there is a high chance that people will say by chance हो गया है. और कंटिन्यूसली सुनते सुनते आप क्या सोचोगे, शायद सही में बाई चांस हो जाएगा, हो गया है. यू विल फॉरगेट योर ओन क्रेडिबिलिटी. प्लीज डोंट लेट एनीबडी ruin your credibility because anything comes with effort. Luck is there, of course luck works, but unless I make effort, luck will also not work. Luck also works for them who tries and never fails, tries and tries. Okay, so this imposter syndrome से बचना बहुत जरूरी, because very soon you will be walking out in real life. In real life, you will not get protected family members who will tell you, okay, ठीक है, next time कर लेना, कर लेती तो better होता. They will not say. They will straight away say the chances will go out of you, and you will start thinking that yes, maybe I'm so very unlucky. That is why this does not happen. और अगर हो गया तो maybe it was just pure luck. So please come out of this. अगर head में भी है, so this is not there. So you have to consciously shift from self-sabotaging tendencies of yours to have, identify what can work best for you. So identify your own values, identify your strengths, identify your weaknesses and work on them to make them strength. Because world outside is very different from this protected world which we are inside in the school, colleges, etc. So now, as I told, I will be teaching you a very, very powerful technique. This is called Johari window. Can I request people to keep their mobile off? Yeah. Sorry. Just because it takes away this thing. So now this is a very important technique, and I'm sure you've heard about this term because the management use it. But I will change this a little, and I'll talk from the space of conscious and subconscious mind. Okay. So what idea do you have about this Johari window? Anybody can say.
The one part says I know, you also know. One part says I know, you do not know.
Yeah.
And the third part says that you know, but I know, and but you don't know. And the last one is no one knows, neither I know, neither you.
ठीक है. अब इसको हम अपने traits और अपनी personality के साथ tally करते हैं. ठीक है. जो first window है, which is open and free window, you know this history because I'm sure ये किसने बनाया, when it was done, how it is used to mastery your communication skills, personal life awareness. Let's understand from the premise of the subconscious mind. Now from the subconscious mind, this first window, जो open window है, this is actually your conscious mind. This is your conscious mind, meaning you also know the traits, your friends in society also know about it. It is very open. ठीक है. तो पहला विंडो क्या हो गया, आपका कॉन्शियस माइंड, जिसको यूज करके आप अपने बारे में बात करते हो, अपने दोस्तों के बारे में बात करते हो. योर फ्रेंड्स नो इट, योर फैमिली मेंबर्स नो इट, एंड you also and others also know it. The second window is called the blind area. Now what is that blind area? What do you think? Try.
Subconscious.
Subconscious का कौन सा भाग होगा? Because second window talks about these are things which you don't know but others know about you.
What others feel
Others
about
can
you.
sense and feel about you. So, for example, suppose I think I am a very good orator. I think I am a very good orator. But when I start to speak, I fumble. You can see my hands shaking, moving. You can see my body trembling, but I will not see it because I am not known to that part. But others can see into me. Others can see through me, right? तो अगर वो मुझे वो बोलते हैं कि तुमको पता है, अगर तुमको लगता है कि तुम्हारा स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया, यू कैन मेक इट स्टिल स्ट्रॉन्गर, बट आई विल नॉट, इफ आई विल नॉट बी ओपन टू रिसीव दैट फीडबैक विच अदर्स आर टेलिंग, then I will never be able to take this area and work on this. This is one of the area which I am not aware, but others are truly telling me, giving me a feedback, like your teachers, your professors, they'll tell you ki, you know, this part is good, but you should work on this part, and then we take it, हाँ, this is partiality, ये मेरे friend ने ऐसे ही लिखा है, but उसको marks मिला, but मुझे नहीं मिला, ये होता है. But there when somebody reads or somebody tells and sees, they can see something which you can't see. Okay, like let me give you a very laymanish example. When you stand in front of a mirror, what happens?
You see yourself.
You see yourself. Agar if I don't stand, can I see myself right now?
No.
I think I am perfectly okay. The moment my hairs are, suppose my hairs are not fine, or maybe my my liner, kajal is smashed, whatever. तो अगर मुझे अपना जो चीज मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है, I have to see a mirror to see it. So everybody other than me is a mirror to me. They're trying to show me something which I can't see like this. So always allow your blind area to be, whenever somebody tells you, allow to receive that feedback. Because every feedback is not a sign of failure, it is a stepping stone for the next improvement line that you can do. The third, which you don't know,
I know, people don't know. I know.
you know, but the people don't know.
know.
So what are the things which I know but the people don't know?
Secrets.
The secrets, and there comes this jealousy, this feeling, oh shit, ये कैसे कर ली, शायद इसने पैसा लगा दिया होगा, oh shit, वो, all of that. And then what happens, instead of giving our best, what do? अगर मुझे पता है और मेरे ये jealous, मतलब see, we all have dark sides and white sides, light sides. Light side is when we appreciate others. Dark sides, as human being, we all have. This jealousy is very normal because all of us want to get good job. But when my best friend gets it, I don't get it. It is a very human tendency to get that jealous feeling, right? Or that disturbed feeling, or that overwhelmed feeling. Yeah. तो हम इसको क्या कर सकते हैं? इस चीज को
We can share.
जब हम शेयर करें कि आई एम वेरी जेन्युइन शेयरिंग, आई एम हैप्पी फॉर यू, बट येट आई नो आई एम फीलिंग अ लिटिल डिस्टर्ब. So when you are saying I am feeling a little disturbed, then what can come next? At least you are becoming aware and you can work on it. So it's always okay to discover yourself and share, because when you share, then it becomes known and you can also work, and people can give you advices also. ठीक है, इसमें नहीं हुआ तुम उस कंपनी में ट्राई करके देखो ना, इसमें एक ओपनिंग है ट्राई करके देखो ना, but that is only possible when I share that yes, I am feeling very low about it, or whatever secrets I am holding. But you need to know how to share your secrets efficiently so that you are not bullied for that, but you can be given suggestions, valuable suggestions. And the last window is
Unknown.
unknown. So when it is unknown, what can you do?
We can do discussion.
You can try, take action, right? अभी हमने जो स्टार्टिंग की थी कि थॉट था, थॉट के बेसिस पे आपको एक्ट तो करना पड़ेगा. नाउ यू कम टू नो अबाउट यू, सो स्टार्ट एक्टिंग आउट. अगर कोई बोल रहा है, सपोज इन टुमारोज वर्ल्ड यू आर डूइंग अ वर्क एंड यू आर फेड अप विद दैट कंपनी, बट यू आर सो फीलिंग इनसिक्योर कि अगर ये कंपनी छोड़ देंगे तो नेक्स्ट कंपनी मिलेगा नहीं, एंड योर फ्रेंड इज सजेस्टिंग दैट देयर इज एन ओपनिंग, बट यू से नहीं आई एम ओके, आई एम मैनेजिंग. You know that you are fed up, but are you sharing the genuine feedback कि I am fed up? You will say no, I am managing. But अगर आप genuinely बोलते तो आपको और 4 resources मिल जाते और उस resources को आप सही use कर सकते हैं, right? So is it making sense?
Yes,
that sometimes we should allow ourselves to express what we are actually feeling. Always we can't be a good boy, good girl, good man, good woman. No, we can't be. It's okay because as humans we can have our own vulnerabilities. So it's okay to accept our vulnerabilities also. And finally, based on this, you will be able to make better decisions. You can at least try. So this, what was unconscious can become conscious, and what becomes conscious, you can just master it. Till the time you were unaware about it, you were not using it. But when you start using it, your pie of life will become bigger. That 10% will start becoming a little more available to you. ठीक है, धीरे धीरे you will be able to imbibe the subconscious abilities that you have, which you never knew, which others told you, you realized, you shared, and you got a collective pool of thoughts, resources, volunteers who helped you. उसका भी हम best use कर सकते हैं. But हमको क्या लगता है, we will think no, he is trying to play tricks with me. मैं यहाँ से भी जाऊँगा और वहाँ से भी जाऊँगा. So this rather we should give our try, and we should be genuine and gentle with our own feelings. Because unless we understand what we are feeling, we'll never be able to express what we want to express, right? So be open to do it. So you all know this, and that is why this is how you can do it. Ki when you are open to feedback, your known area, the conscious mind, can become bigger. When the blind spot can become smaller when you are open to receive feedback. Take the feedback, change the name of feedback to feed forwards. This is helping you to move forward. It is not somebody telling you to, so you can reduce your blind spots by taking feedbacks. So when you reduce the blind spot, your open area becomes, your conscious mind becomes more adaptable, more open. And then you will discover so much about yours. So it's okay to sometimes disclose, this is how I'm feeling. Now even for mental health, it is okay to say I'm feeling low, I'm feeling sad, I'm feeling depressed. Then somebody can suggest you it's okay, go and take help. Or somebody can stand beside you. So unless you express this part, nobody will know. Because we all have learned to fake. We have a mask. We have a mask. We all wear that mask and I am fit, fine, okay. But inside every day I am crumbling. Inside every day I am crying, I am howling. But I feel very fearful to express this to anybody. Because log kya kahenge? Guys, you are important. And every feeling that you feel matters. So don't succumb to what log kya kahenge. Take charge of life. Okay? And once when you start doing it, you will know, and there will be so much of self-discovery, because many traits that was hidden, many resources that were available but you were never open to receive it, all of that becomes possible. So always think, how can you make this area bigger? So are there any areas or avenues in life where you want to work? Apply this ideology and कोशिश करो अपने subconscious से resources निकालने के लिए, अपने traits को समझने के लिए, जो traits weak है उसको workout करने के लिए. And when you start working and accepting and imbibing your strengths and your weaknesses, because you can never be always strong, there will be time and phase where you will be weak. तो strength and weaknesses को जब हम integrate करते हैं, उनको एक ही नज़र से देखने लगते हैं, तो हमारा perception about us will start changing. Because till now maybe I was thinking I am not good enough. The moment I start taking trials, I start taking actions, then what will happen? New opportunities can open up. Is it making sense, guys?
Yes.
So would you like to try things if people tell you to try, or if they tell you this is an opening or this can be done, or you can, suppose I'm not good in English. There are courses and I should be open to hear that, and I should try and learn, read, practice, because every skill that we need in day-to-day life can be practiced, can be learned, but that can only be possible when I am open to receive feedback. So now feedbacks should become feed forwards, that it is helping me to move forward in life. But all this while हम क्या सोचते हैं कि feedbacks are like, somebody is pulling my leg, oh ये pinpoint कर रहा है, गलती बता रहा है. It is not pinpoint or गलती. Don't take it from that aspect. It will only help you to increase your abilities and traits. Okay, so all that was unconscious to you will become conscious, resources will be available, and you will be able to make most out of it. Now, this is what I wanted to present, and I would be more than happy to get few questions if I went fast, or is there anything that you did not understand. So, before I do a recap, anything that you want to ask with that concept that you already knew, but how can you connect with your own being? Using your conscious and subconscious, how can you make your unconscious become conscious and use it? बहुत सारे unconscious behaviors है, बहुत सारे unconscious fears है, जिसको आप work कर सकते हो. Work करने के लिए first and foremost you have to become aware. You have to accept it. You have to, if you accept it, then only you will be open to work on them. Remember, we are not born with those limitations and fears. That gets created in the process of life. But whatever you have, and we acquire it, we learn it. Whatever we have learned, we can always unlearn. As I started my statement saying, just like the constitution of country changes, my own fears, my values can also change. Whatever got imbibed into me on the first few years of my life cannot continue mapping me or controlling me for the rest of my life. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Because when they got formed, I was too small to know. But now I am big enough to explore world, to understand and make myself a better person. Right? That is how. So quickly we do a recap. Stand and you open your conscious mind abilities. When you take matters from your subconscious mind, you work on them. Then what happens? You will convert all your fear into faith and clarity. You will have faith in yourself, and when you have faith, you are able to face the world with better confidence than what you were when you were fighting it inside of you, right? Then you will turn mistakes into growth, because you have just understood that feedback is not to pull you back, it is rather a step forward, right? And then when you will be aligned with your thoughts, when you will be aligned with your values, because you will have clarity, then you will be making a real difference in life. Your performance will go to the next level. Okay, so stop feeling, oh, I shouldn't ask. If I ask, this person will feel. When you step out tomorrow into a job profile, right? The place would be new. You have to learn many rules. You have to unlearn what you have learned. Maybe you have to learn new things. So be open to unlearn and learn the new things. Because if you keep yourself closed, it will be very difficult for you to fit into and adapt to the situations. Life is all about adaptation. The moment you understand it is not about me, it is that the environment I am in and I have to. So that I can be one with them, we can become open to receive this feed forwards and make life better. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many of you agree that नए environment में जाओगे तो कुछ तो आपको unlearn करना पड़ेगा और कुछ new relearning करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, ma'am.
करना पड़ेगा, because every house is different, every office is different, every organization is different, every work profile is different. So instead of feeling stressed, oh shit, I can't do it, I cannot do it, this is so demanding, what you can do is take small pauses, be open to receive feed forwards, feedbacks जो हम आज तक बोलते आए हैं, and work on them. Identify your weaknesses, work on them, and accept it. And it is okay, because we can't be picture perfect, which everybody around us wants us to be. It's okay to accept ourselves and work on. If I want to work on, I am open to work on it. Not just to please others, but to make myself better. Only and only when I want to make myself better, right? So when you will be aligned, you will have better outcomes definitely, and that brings an end to my presentation. And if there's anything that you want to ask, please feel free and ask it. And you can always